Welcome to our channel. If you're looking for a smarter, easier way to keep your home spotless, a robot vacuum could be the upgrade you've been waiting for. Imagine coming home to perfectly clean floors without lifting a finger. Today's robot vacuum models combine powerful suction, intelligent mapping, app control, and automatic scheduling to handle dust, pet hair, and debris effortlessly. In this video, I'll walk you through the key features, real-world benefits, and what to consider before buying the best robot vacuum for your needs. Stay with me to discover how this smart cleaning solution can save you time, energy, and money while transforming your daily routine. Please check the description below for each product link. Product 1. The Shark AI Ultra Self-Emptying Robot Vacuum delivers powerful suction designed to lift dirt and debris from carpets and hard floors, handling everyday messes and tough buildup with ease. Using Matrix Clean technology, it methodically cleans in a precision grid pattern, making multiple passes to ensure thorough, whole-home coverage with no spots missed. Its 360 degrees LiDAR vision creates accurate home maps, allowing the robot to navigate efficiently, avoid obstacles, and adapt to changes day or night. The self-cleaning brush roll actively pulls up hair and debris while preventing hair wrap, making it especially ideal for homes with pets. A bagless self-emptying base holds up to 60 days of dirt without requiring replacement bags, reducing ongoing costs. With the Shark Clean app and voice control through Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, you can schedule cleanings or start on demand for a truly hands-free, convenient cleaning experience. Product 2. The iRobot Roomba i3 Plus 3550 Wi-Fi connected robot vacuum offers powerful and convenient cleaning with its premium 3-stage cleaning system and 10x powerlifting suction, effectively tackling dirt and debris on all floor types. Designed for hands-free operation, it features the Clean Base automatic dirt disposal that empties the robot for up to 60 days, reducing maintenance and keeping your home effortlessly clean. The upgraded iRobot Home app provides personalized scheduling suggestions, seasonal reminders, and on-demand cleaning options, while Google Assistant and Alexa voice compatibility allow you to start cleaning with a simple command. Patented Dirt Detect technology targets high-traffic areas for thorough cleaning, and room-by-room mapping ensures the vacuum cleans where and when you need it. With smart learning and automated maintenance, the Roomba i3 Plus combines efficiency, convenience, and intelligent design to make everyday cleaning simpler and more manageable. Product 3. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Self-Empty combines powerful suction, smart navigation, and hands-free convenience to keep your home spotless with minimal effort. Its advanced Matrix Clean navigation ensures every area is covered through multiple passes, while 360 degrees LiDAR mapping allows the robot to detect and avoid obstacles day or night, adapting to changes in your home. The self-emptying bagless base holds up to 30 days of dirt and debris, and the true HEPA filtration captures 99.97% of dust and allergens, making it ideal for homes with pets. With up to 120 minutes of runtime and recharge and resume functionality, the robot completes whole home cleans efficiently. Users can schedule cleanings or activate on-demand sessions via the app or voice commands through Alexa and Google Assistant, enjoying deep, consistent cleaning across carpets, hardwood, and tile while keeping pet hair, dust, and allergens under control. Product 4. Keep your home effortlessly clean with the Shark AV753 ION Robot Vacuum, a versatile smart cleaning solution designed to tackle dirt, dust, and pet hair across carpets, hardwood, and tile with its powerful tri-brush system. Wi-Fi connectivity allows you to schedule cleanings, monitor performance, and control the vacuum from your smartphone, while Alexa or Google Assistant integration offers convenient hands-free operation. With up to 120 minutes of runtime, it can cover large areas in a single session, ensuring consistent cleanliness without constant supervision. The sleek gray design fits seamlessly into any interior while delivering reliable, professional-level cleaning. Equipped with side brushes, channel brushes, and a multi-surface brush roll, this vacuum handles debris efficiently on all floor types. Customers appreciate its effectiveness on pet hair and ease of use, while some note mixed experiences with noise, mapping accuracy, and overall durability, emphasizing the value of its performance for everyday home cleaning. Product 5. The Brava Jet M6 Robot Mop delivers hands-free, precise cleaning for hard floors, tackling sticky messes and kitchen grease with its precision jet spray. Perfect for larger spaces and multiple rooms, It navigates around furniture and objects while cleaning hardwood, tile, and stone effortlessly. Guided by V-SLAM navigation, it creates smart maps of your home to clean in efficient, methodical rows and automatically recharges and resumes when the battery is low. Target specific areas via the app or voice assistant, set personalized schedules with smart mapping, and define keep-out zones to protect sensitive areas. Imprint link technology allows the M6 to coordinate with select Roomba vacuums for vacuuming followed by mopping in perfect sequence. Designed for convenience, it learns your cleaning habits and offers customized routines, making daily mopping effortless while maintaining a spotless, healthy home environment.